Ready?
Hello.
Okay. So I'm reading this letter. This is okay. So this is a joint letter to Palki ma'am, Shantanu, Rushika, and any one of you can read it. So I'm reading it because इन दोनों की English तो आप जानते हैं कितनी खतरनाक बोली है।
नहीं हम लोग बहुत टाइम ले लेंगे यार पढ़ने के लिए इसीलिए।
ये लोग बहुत बुरे हैं और इन लोगों को ओरल उसमें 0 मार्क्स मिलते थे।
हम लोग कर रहे हैं
Shut up.
ऐसे बोल देने का।
Okay, चुप ना। Firstly, we apologize for not celebrating Rushika's birthday separately. We were tied up at that time. But unfortunately, we will be tied up during Shantanu's birthday also.
I know यार सबके एग्जाम होते हैं।
Exactly. Oh, so sweet. उसने वही लिखा है. Blame Shantanu for having his birthday when the whole world has exams. World नहीं रे India. So we thought of trying something special, a joint birthday celebration of Rushika, Palki ma'am and Shantanu. I love it यार तुम लोग इसमें भी Palki ma'am लिखते हो. Very nice मतलब touched. And a joint birthday party calls for a joint birthday cake. And the cake is specially made for you guys.
Thank you. It was wonderful.
Batman मेरा पास होना चाहिए था और तुम लोगों ने उसको दिया. Not happening. I love
But
Batman.
you promote Superman more than I promote Batman. Ready?
The ballerina symbolizes Rushika since she is very fond of ballerina dresses and shoes, and she herself is a very graceful dancer.
You got it right.
The Superman with the P symbolizes Palki ma'am. Yo, that's me.
Where is Ambert?
What?
Palki ma'am.
Shut up. Since she is more or less superwoman, I'm mommy. With superpowers. With superpowers, that's why Batman, correct. Like being perfect at everything at the same time. Oh, so sweet. And the Batman logo with Shantanu written on it symbolizes Shantanu. Since from a long time he seems to be very fond of Batman and love to wear his Batman hoodie everywhere. Excuse me. He did it.
रुक ना शांतनु रुक।
I'm not gonna say it.
अरे मैम बोलो।
It's because of me likes Batman.
No, because of you I started watching Batman.
Yeah, hell man. Anyway, we want you to, but it's okay. We want you to go on and cut the cake together and sing happy birthday song for each other. We did that. We hope you like the small effort. We love it. क्या बोलना?
We loved it.
We love it and thank you for all the wishes. What was it?
Thank you for all the
ये यार तू थोड़ा स्क्रिप्ट इसको दिया करो यार कुछ एक ही चीज मालूम है इसको. It was our own way to bring together the 3 special people we love and adore. Thank you. Touched, really. Going date wise, Rushika. Wish you a very happy belated birthday.
Thank you.
कुछ different ways.
Correct.
बीच में मिल गया.
Hope you continue eating healthy this year too and make your spin and fall score 0. You're very talented, but you should always keep working hard and aim higher and higher. Never lose it. You're a fabulous dancer and have improved to become a very graceful actor too. I agree. Wish you all the luck. Hey, chupna! Wish you all the luck and would love to see you work in both the fields. Of course, and even post D3. You have one thing which very few people do. Innocence. No, she is innocent. Badir bachcha hai. She's a little crazy. Stupid. It qualifies being innocent. It's okay. You want me to get up? You want to come sit in the center? नहीं ऐसे ही बोला मैंने. That makes Rushika so adorable to us. Aww. Now it's for me. नहीं लिखा. Palki ma'am, wish you a very happy birthday. Thank you. May all your wishes come true. We miss you.
Yes.
During interviews, your work during D3.
Your work भी लिखा है उसमें.
Every character of D3 lost its. I don't want to read this. Yeah, it's odd.
Okay, I'll read.
Controversial बन जाएगा फालतू में.
अच्छा रुशिका को पढ़ा है? एक भी controversy में नहीं.
Correct.
चल पढ़.
देखा पट्टू.
Alright, चल. Every actor of D3 has lost its charm since Palki Malhotra left her D3. You are one of the best human beings we have come across and one of the most talented too. We agree.
Oh.
Yeah.
Even waiting for you to come back either in D3 or with new project.
Woo! Thank you.
अभी मेरा तो मैं ही पढ़ूंगा.
नहीं मैं पढ़ूंगा.
Okay.
मैं सबका पढ़ रहा है.
वो एक्स्ट्रा बोल के फिर ऐसे बोल देगा.
Correct.
पढ़ना.
How well you know him. Shantanu, we are guessing. We are the first ones wishing you so early.
Yeah. That's
We
it.
apologize for that. अरे भाई, पागल है क्या? Happy birthday, Shantanu.
Thank you.
Happy
Oh,
birthday.
यार मैं तो बोलने वाला है.
Very bad, very bad. You are one of those rare, young yet mature people. I totally agree. We have witnessed and the way you carry yourself. Hey, camera में देखना. मेरे को क्या expression दे रहा है? I'll read this again. You are one of those rare, young yet mature people we have witnessed, and the way you carry yourself, be it your personal or professional life, is something we look up to.
Thank you.
You have maintained a sober and simple image in spite of being so popular. Please continue to do so.
Thank you.
Of course, people are crazy about your dance moves and your acting, but it's your sober behavior which defines Shantanu. Oh, very well written.
Very well
सबसे
written.
अच्छा शांतनु लगेगा. ये क्या बात है? तो cheating कर दे रहे हैं. हम लोग ने regular लिखा. अच्छा है.
Thank you guys.
May God bless all of you all. All three of you look best with 32 all out.
यार, thank you ma'am, यार.
32 में कहीं और घुस गई थी. Sorry. Corrupt mind है. You keep smiling in case one of you gets sad. It's the other two's duty to make him or her smile. We definitely love you guys individually, but have ended loving you guys together even more. Stay together, stay there for each other, and of course we're always there for you all. Lot of love, Sahana and Nishita. We love both of you all.
Yes.
Seriously.
Thank
And I'm
you.
not just
Very
saying
well
it,
written thing and
Yeah.
well written said it touched our heart.
Supremely
What you
touched.
have.
ये फालतू ताली दे मतलब
ये वो तो होता है ना कि मैं कुछ बोल नहीं पा रही हूँ तो
ताली मार देती.
हाँ, ताली मार देती.
मुझे अच्छा लगता था फिर मैं था.
हाँ, रोती भी तो है पर वो भी
रोज मुझे मिलके तुझे अच्छा लगे तो ताली मारती है क्या? बता फटफट.
हाँ, बोली.
बात करके मारती हूँ. Okay. Sahana, Nishita, I'm sure आप लोग दोनों ने ये लिखा तो है, but आप लोग I'm assuming it is from all the foreign fans. So thank you so much, and it means a lot to celebrate my birthday and choose my birthday as an occasion to celebrate these two's birthday. I think it's apart from the fact that it's logical and practical for you all, but I feel it's very nice and I'm totally touched.
मैं कुछ बोलूँ क्या?
हाँ बोलो.
एक तरीके से it's an honor for us to celebrate our birthday with you, and thank
Yeah.
you fans for doing that, and especially Ishita and Sahana. Thank you.
Yes. तेरे को नहीं आ रहा है ये.
हमने कभी ये सोचा नहीं था और हमें ऐसा मौका मिलेगा
अच्छा हमारा
कि
बर्थडे
आपके
पास
साथ.
नहीं है.
करेक्ट. हालांकि हम ये पैसे नहीं है, बट हम दोनों पैसे हैं.
मछली चल की रानी थी जीवन उसका पानी
थी. मछली चल की रानी थी.
है.
जीवन में उसका पानी थी.
मैं बोल रहा था आपको कितना इंटरेस्ट लेवल है.